Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a low-fat chai tea. Chai tea has an incredible craze over the last few years, and you can actually make it at home for a fraction of the price that you could get it at a coffee shop. Chai tea has its roots in India. When the British colonized India, they introduced tea into the culture. Well, the Indians took the black tea that the British had brought with them and added a little of their own spice and flavor to it. They basically took black tea and added spices and hot milk, and it has developed into what we know today as chai. They still drink chai today in India in the morning and in the afternoon, keeping in tradition with the British culture that was introduced there. Now, if you enjoy chai, you can make it at home very simply. I think that the easiest way to make it at home is to go out and buy chai tea bags. Basically, these tea bags have black tea and all of the spices already in them. And what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of the chai tea bags, place them in a cup. You're going to go ahead and add boiling water halfway up the cup. You're not going to want to fill the cup up the whole way. And the reason for doing this is because we want to make a concentrate out of the tea bags so that when you add your steamed milk, it doesn't dilute the taste of the chai. So once you have your tea bags steeping in the water, you can leave them in there for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can then go ahead and prepare your low-fat milk. Now, making low-fat milk, you could use 1%, non-fat, or 2%. It's up to you. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill up your steaming carafe halfway with low-fat milk. Then you're going to place it in your steam wand. You're going to turn your steam wand on. And then what you're going to do is scratch the surface of your low-fat milk for 2 to 3 seconds. Once you're done steaming it for 2 to 3 seconds, you're then going to submerge the steam wand back into the milk. Once the milk is submerged again, you're going to allow the milk to come to a rumble, or when the carafe is too hot to touch, then you can go ahead and pull it out. Once you're done steaming your milk, you can remove your chai tea bags from the hot water. You can discard of those, and you can add your low-fat milk to the chai tea. Some people enjoy chai tea without adding any extra sweetener to it, but if you want to add some sugar or vanilla flavored syrup, you can go ahead and do that to make it a little extra sweet. And again, chai is an excellent beverage to serve when it gets cold outside during the fall or the winter or the holiday seasons. You could spice it up however you want, add a little whipped cream and cinnamon to the top for an extra treat. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant. And today we learned how to make a low-fat chai tea.